Top 3 plant-based proteins for arthritis relief. Soothe pain and inflammation naturally. Are your knees aching when you wake up? Do your fingers feel stiff and swollen? Or maybe your hips hurt every time you stand up? If that sounds familiar, you are not alone. Arthritis affects millions of seniors, and it's not just about pain. It can steal your independence and joy of life. But here's the good news: what you eat can make a huge difference in how you feel every single day. In today's video, I'll review the top 3 plant-based proteins that fight inflammation, soothe joint pain, and help you move freely again, naturally, without harsh drugs. Plus, stick with me till the end for a bonus protein source that most people overlook, but it's a real game changer for arthritis relief. If you've been told arthritis is something you just have to live with, think again. Let's start. As we check out this food, please take a few seconds to like the video, subscribe to Green Health channel, and remember to turn on your notification for you to be notified whenever there is a new upload on this channel. Before we look into the list, let me quickly explain why plant-based proteins are so powerful for arthritis relief. Unlike many animal proteins that come with saturated fats, advanced glycation end products, and inflammatory compounds, these plant-based options are low in inflammatory triggers and high in anti-inflammatory nutrients. They are loaded with fiber, which helps lower inflammation markers, antioxidants that neutralize free radicals damaging your joints, and phytonutrients that calm down the inflammatory response. And here's the best part: they don't just fight pain, they also support cartilage repair, protect bones, and keep your weight in check, which is crucial because every extra pound adds stress to your knees and hips. 1. Lentils. First on the list, lentils. These little legumes are nutritional powerhouses. Just 1 cup of cooked lentils gives you about 18 grams of protein, 16 grams of fiber, and minerals like magnesium and potassium, which are critical for reducing inflammation and improving blood flow to your joints. But here is what makes lentils special: they are loaded with polyphenols, plant compounds that block inflammatory pathways in the body. Adding lentils to your meals is simple and affordable. You can make hearty soups, throw them into salads, or prepare delicious lentil burgers. They are easy to digest and perfect for seniors trying to maintain energy without heavy meals. 2. Chickpeas. Next, chickpeas, also called garbanzo beans. Why are they so good for arthritis? Because they are rich in protein, folate, and zinc, all essential for cartilage repair and joint flexibility. But that's not all. Chickpeas contain soluble fiber, which balances blood sugar and reduces systemic inflammation, meaning fewer flare-ups and less stiffness. You can roast them for a crunchy snack, add them to salads, or blend them into hummus for a creamy, satisfying dip. And if you like variety, try different seasonings. Roasted chickpeas with a little turmeric and olive oil is not only tasty, but also inflammatory. 3. Quinoa. Finally, quinoa, one of the best grains for seniors with arthritis. Unlike most plant foods, quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it provides all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to maintain muscle and repair tissues. But there is more. Quinoa is packed with magnesium, which relaxes blood vessels and reduces inflammation, and antioxidants that protect your joints from oxidative stress. It's also gluten-free, which is important because Gluten can trigger inflammation in some people with arthritis. Use quinoa as a base for salads. Mix it with vegetables or even make a warm breakfast bowl with fruits and nuts. It's quick to cook and incredibly versatile. And now for the bonus protein most people overlook, tofu. Made from soybeans, tofu is not only high in complete protein but also rich in calcium and isoflavones, which supports bone density and reduce joint inflammation. Tofu is gentle on digestion, low in fat, and extremely versatile. Grill it, bake it, stir fry it, or add it to soups for a soft, satisfying boost of arthritis friendly protein. Just remember to choose organic or non GMO tofu to avoid unnecessary additives. Here's a quick tip: pair these plant proteins with healthy fats like olive oil, avocado, or nuts. These good fats act like natural lubricants for your joints, reducing stiffness and pain even more. Many people boil these foods for too long or cook them in unhealthy oils, which destroys key nutrients. Instead, lightly cook or steam lentils and chickpeas, and for tofu, avoid deep frying. Grill or bake instead to keep it anti-inflammatory. So there you have it, the top three plant-based proteins for arthritis relief. Plus a bonus, lentils, the inflammation fighter, chickpeas, nature's joint cushion, quinoa, the complete protein, and our bonus food, tofu, the versatile pain soother. Add this to your diet and watch how your joints become stronger, more flexible, and pain-free. Which one do you already hit the most? Or which one will you try first? Comment below. I'd love to hear from you. If this video helped you, hit like, share it with someone who needs arthritis relief, and subscribe for more natural health tips to keep you moving and living pain-free. Thank you for watching to the end, and I hope to see you in the next one. Always remember that green health cares.